Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? We are going to be talking about all the new indie makeup releases from the last month or so, anything that has caught my attention, and I'm just going to kind of give y'all my opinions on the releases, whether I bought them or I'm going to buy them or passing on them. You know the drill. It's been a little while since I've done one of these videos, so I feel like we have some good things to talk about. I also wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. I love Ana Luisa. I love their jewelry. I've worked with them many times in the past and I stand by everything I've ever said about them. They make the cutest, dainty, super high quality jewelry. Everything is sustainable. It's all carbon neutral. It's just like all the feel good things that you could possibly get out of a jewelry line, but also it's so cute. So today I have on their little medium hoops and they're just super cute. I feel like they're like the perfect size for like a little elegant hoop. I've actually never had really nice hoops like this before, so I love these ones. I think they're so cute. Again, just perfect size. And then I also have on their My necklace. It's MEI, and it's just super beautiful as well, super dainty. It looks like it has like a little moon, and it's just so pretty. And then they also sent over their Bonnie earrings, which are so pretty. They are, I mean, you can see literally the most delicate, tiny, dainty, little beautiful earrings. I love them so much. I think they're so pretty just for a very everyday earring, the kind that you just leave in and don't take out. So I really love those as well. I genuinely wear Ana Luisa jewelry pretty much every single day. I've even gifted some to friends, family, and they love them as well. So right now, Ana Luisa is currently having a Valentine's Day sale for buy one, get one 40% off. I'll make sure to have them linked down below. I definitely recommend checking out Ana Luisa, especially during a sale. I feel like you can't go wrong with a good deal. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and jump on in. So as I'm pulling out the pictures, just wanted to say really quickly that this series is inspired by, I almost just said Ana Luisa. It's inspired by Angelica Nyquist and Samantha March. They both have new makeup releases videos, and they're the reason I started this series, even though I haven't been as consistent lately, but we can still have fun with it today. So starting off, one of the releases that is pretty interesting is a new collection from Glam Light. This is the Glam Light and Hersheys Kisses collection, which is a super cute collaboration. I feel like Glam Light really nailed it with their brand because they have the opportunity to collab with so many food brands that people love, and I feel like they're gonna keep doing really cool collaboration after collaboration. Bless you. And I'm excited to see what happens out of it. But personally, when I look at all these palettes, they're pretty basic monochromatic palettes. Even the blue one I was kind of a little bit like about, because they literally just released a monochromatic blue palette with the Icy collection. So I think that this is really cute. I think the packaging is cute. I think that if it had been released a little bit earlier, it could have been a cute Valentine's Day gift. So yeah, I do like it, but I don't think I'm going to end up purchasing anything myself. And then next we have a new palette from Dredge Cosmetics. This is the Lunar Retrograde palette. It's available now for $40, and I think this one is really cute. I really like the color story. I feel like it's a very like fun, cool tone color story overall. I feel like the shimmers look really intense. I feel like it does look really nice, and like part of me wants to buy it, part of me wants it, but I've been trying to be really good about buying less palettes, and I still feel like even the things that I have bought, I haven't fully reviewed. So I think that this one's going to be a pass for now, but if I see anyone reviewing it, I will definitely be the first one to hit on their video and watch and see what people think about it, because I do think it's super cute. I feel like there's just something about it. It's so fun, but it's still like a little neutral, but still a little colorful. I don't know. I think it's super cute. And then next we have a new palette from September Rose Cosmetics. And this is actually funny because, I don't know, maybe like a week or 2 weeks before they announced this, I was thinking about them, and I'm like, I wonder what happened to them. Like, I feel like I haven't seen them release anything in a long time, and I don't know if I just haven't been following enough, but I feel like they released their one rainbow palette, which I really liked, and then they released a super neutral palette, and I don't think I've heard anything about them since, but now they have a Valentine's-esque palette, still pretty. This is a pass for me. I just feel like it's like very like mid-tone heavy palette. There's not a lot of depth. I mean, there's a little bit of lightness, but I just feel like overall this looks like one of those palettes where a lot of the looks would end up being very similar, and it just doesn't speak to me. I think the packaging is cute. I think it looks aesthetically pleasing, but as far as actually using it and getting a lot of use out of it, I don't think that it would be for me. So that's gonna be a pass. And then next, this palette. I think I'm gonna have to do it. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit of a splurge, but I'm gonna do it. This is the new Glaminatrix Cosmetics Nocturnal palette. This looks so stunning. This looks like a smoky dream. I feel like some people said that it kind of looks like the It's Freaking Bats palette from Shroud and Butte Bean, and I do see that a little bit, but I feel like this is almost like a grungier version. It just looks so cute. I think it's releasing on the 20th if I'm correct, but I'll make sure to leave the details down below for y'all. But I don't know, I just feel like this palette is like, it's so pretty. I cannot resist, so that's probably a buy. And then next we have a sneak peek from Nostal Beauty, and I'm excited about this. I'm so excited to see what it is. This is the Nostalgia Playlist Let's Makeup CD inspired eyeshadow palette, and if you guys aren't familiar with Nostal Beauty, they did a VHS tape face palette, and it's so good. The formula is really nice, and it's also so cute. I love their packaging. I love their theme. It's all about nostalgia, so seeing them do like a little CD playlist, it's just super, super cute. It is an eyeshadow palette, so I'm curious to see what the colors will look like. It looks like it says it's cruelty-free and vegan, launching on February 17th. So yeah, I think everything about the brand is super fun. The owners seem really, really passionate about what they're doing, so definitely has my attention. But of course, we'll have to wait and see what's inside, but the packaging looks so cool. And then next we have a new foundation from Kosas, and I don't know what it is about this foundation. It just pulled me in. So it says it's the Revealer Foundation. It says it's a medium coverage SPF treatment foundation with a natural dreamy finish that instantly blends. So it's supposed to be like one of those clean beauty foundations that has SPF and has all this skincare stuff. I don't know about all that. I just really like the formula of the Revealer concealer. So when they came out with the Revealer foundation, I was like, I want to try it. And it was available on Sephora. So I actually already purchased this, and it arrived at my doorstep today, along with something else that we'll talk about in just a second. So this one definitely got me. It was a buy. I haven't bought a new foundation in a while, and I haven't even seen any reviews for it. So it might have been a little bit of an impulse, but I'm hoping that it turns out well. Yeah, we'll see, I guess. I'll do a video on it. Hopefully it works out, but at least with Sephora, if it doesn't, the returns are a little bit easier, but I'm hoping for the best. Oh, I totally missed the end of that sentence. It says it instantly blends like a second skin to blur, visibly smooth texture, and minimize pores. And then the other thing that I purchased from Sephora that just released from an indie brand is the new LYS Beauty concealer. So this one is the Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer, and this is actually the opposite thing. I got the concealer because I love the foundation so much from LYS, so I'm really hoping that it'll be a favorite. It was only $18, which I feel like is very fair. It says it's a luxuriously rich, ultra creamy concealer that helps brighten, conceal, and nourish skin with undetectable coverage and a skin-like finish. So I feel like having like a super creamy, skin-like finish, full coverage concealer sounds really good to me. I'm hoping that the lightest shade that I purchased is a little bit lighter than the lightest shade of their foundation, because the foundation is like a little bit, not too dark on me, but it's very yellow. And I just feel like if I went in with a concealer that was the exact same shade, I don't know that it would work out. But I think that the lightest one was described as a neutral, so we'll see. I'm planning on maybe doing a trying new makeup video because I have that. I have the new Colourpop powder, which Makeup Just for Fun sent me over. And then I'm sure I have an eyeshadow palette somewhere that I haven't tried yet. So we can throw a video together. It'll be a good time. Maybe that'll come sometime soon. But yeah, I did go ahead and purchase that as well. And then next we have from Lois Cosmetics a new eyeshadow palette. This is the Meet Me at Midnight palette. So this is their second palette ever, and I do have the first one. I really like it. I like the color story, I like the quality, but for some reason this palette, it's like, I think it looks really pretty. It looks like a colorful smoky dream, but it's just not pulling me in. It kind of reminds me a little bit of maybe, was it like the Arcana palette from Shroud? I can't remember if that's what it's called, but it kind of reminds me of that, but like an extended version. It looks cute, but it's going to be a pass for me personally. I feel like I could see why a lot of people would like it. I think it looks fun, but I'm just not getting like the urge that like I need to put it on my eyelids ASAP. So it's gonna be a pass. And then I also wanted to let you guys know that Davina is coming out with a restock of all their shades from Black Friday. I am currently working on doing a video. I should probably have it live the same day that the restock goes live, but I've been doing some reels on Instagram as well on the new Davina collections in case you want to see some swatches over there. But it is going to be launching or restocking on February 18th at 12 p.m. I feel like, I can't remember. I think that Davina does Central Standard Time, but I'll have to check. So I'll make sure to leave the details for y'all. But yes, those will be restocking. And can I just say the Moonscapes collection, the neutral metallic sparkly shadows are everything. If you're a neutral lover and you haven't tried much from Davina because it's too colorful for you, I'm telling you the Moonscapes collection is beautiful. You can use it very carefully without a glitter glue and it's still pretty, but I definitely recommend a glitter glue for it to be easier. But yeah, they are absolutely stunning. I feel like for me, like loving a lot of neutral shadows right now, they're everything. Okay, and then next we also have a new launch from Colourpop I wanted to finish off with that has kind of gotten my attention. I feel like it almost got me. I almost purchased it, but then I realized there was pressed glitters. And I was like, I'm not gonna do it, but I think it is so pretty. So this is the new Colourpop Rock Candy palette. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's such a pretty neutral palette. Like there's like a little bit of mauve, a little bit of green, a little bit of cool tones, some warm tones. It almost reminds me of something that Blend Bunny would do, but a little bit more muted. I don't know, I feel like just the way that it's organized is super, super pretty. But I don't know, I'm so stubborn when it comes to the pressed glitters that I feel like, honestly, I'll take whatever I can. I'll take whatever excuse I can to talk myself out of buying eyeshadow palettes because, you know, I'll take whatever I can get. I have too many. I believe that those are all of the new releases I wanted to talk about today. As you can see, I did buy a few things, and that the Nocturnal palette is definitely on my wish list. Hopefully I can grab it. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I haven't been doing a ton of makeup shopping. I did pick up 2 palettes from Sydney Grace, and I think that's the only order other than the Sephora order I made. So I've only made 2 orders so far this year, which isn't too bad. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this one. Don't forget to check them out. Like I said, I'll have them linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!